In this example, we're going to be using index law number 5. We've been asked to apply the fifth index law to the following expressions. Firstly, 6 on b to the power 3. And this index law says that if you have a fraction to a power, you just take the top and the bottom of the fraction to that power. So 6 cubed divided by b cubed. And in this case, 6 cubed is within reason for calculating it. So we'll just work it out down here. 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6. That's 36 times 6. And 30 times 6 is 180, plus another 6 times 6, 36. So that's 216. Of course, if you know that value, that's even better. But in any case, 6 cubed is 216, divided by b cubed is our final answer. For part B, we have negative 2a squared divided by 3bc cubed to the power of 4. And we have to be pretty careful here because we're going to take the numerator and the denominator to the power of 4, but we're going to keep brackets here so we make sure we take the whole numerator to that power. So we have negative 2a squared to the power of 4 divided by 3bc cubed to the power of 4. So we have negative 2 to the power of 4 times a to the power of 8. A squared to the 4 is the same as a to the power of 2 times 4. And we have 3 to the power of 4, b to the power of 4, and c cubed is taken to the power of 4. So that's c to the power of 12. Now negative 2 to the power of 4 is negative 2 times negative 2 is 4. Then multiply that by itself, we get 16, a to the power of 8. And 3 to the power of 4, let's just work that out down here. We have 3 to the 4 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Well, that's equal to 9 times 9, so that's 81. It is helpful if you've memorized some of these. 81, b to the 4, c to the 12. And that actually can't be simplified any further because there are no common factors in the numerator or denominator. For part C, we have x squared y cubed on c to the power of 3 times xc on y to the power of 4. And here we're going to deal with the numerators and denominators separately in each fraction. Firstly, x squared y cubed to the power of 3 divided by c cubed times x to the 4, c to the 4 divided by y to the 4. Well, expanding the brackets up the top, we have x to the power of 6, y to the power of 9 on c cubed times x to the 4, c to the 4 on y to the 4. Now let's just multiply across the fractions before we try any simplification. X to the 6 and x to the 4 in the numerator gives us x to the 10, that's index law number 1. Just adding 6 and 4 there. We have y to the 9 and c to the 4. And the denominator is c cubed y to the 4. But now we can actually cancel. We've got x to the 10 by itself in the numerator. Y to the 9 and y to the 4 in the denominator becomes y to the 5. And c to the 4 and c cubed in the denominator becomes c to the power of 1, or just c. And we're actually left with just the number 1 in the denominator, so I'm not going to write that in. So our final answer is x to the 10, y to the 5, c.